Students, today's topic is protecting yourself on the web. Protecting yourself on the web. Protecting yourself is important when you want to send personal information like your bank account or credit card number over the internet. You have to be careful to send your personal information on internet. When you will upload your information, just like a credit card number, your name, mobile number, address, etc., uh, your parents, regarding your parents' information, you have to be more careful, because on the internet, when you will upload your data, that can be flowed from one place of the world to the another place of the world. So you have to remember this. The spyware is a software that gets installed on your computer without your knowledge or the consent. Spyware is a software which will be installed in your computer or your device, and without knowing, without your knowledge. Viruses are the program which are created deliberately to the damage data. Viruses are the softwares which is created by the software professionals to damage your computer. How much damage it will do, that depends on the uh, virus, which kind of virus is it. Then is pop-up. It is a sort of the advertisement that disturbs your web browsing by appearing as a separate browser window on the top of your current window. You might have seen when you are working on some software on your on internet, then suddenly a advertisement will come. That is the pop-up advertisement. But always you have to remember that don't click on that ad, because sometimes that can be a malware which will be installed in your device. Save password. When you add username password to log into a particular website, Internet Explorer, the Firefox sometimes displays a prompt message that offers to remember the password you have written. Saved password. Sometimes when you work on some websites where you enter the passwords and the username, then you will get a message, prompt message. You want to save your password for future use, then you have to never click on the never, because if that software, that password and username will be stored in your saved in your uh, computer, then next time it will not ask you to enter passwords. So you have to remember it. Cookies. It is a small text message that a web browser stores on your computer to keep track of the website. Cookies that will track your websites, which websites you are opening, etc. Secure sites indicator. At the start of the web address URL of a secure web page, HTTPS rather than HTTP appears. This is the important thing. If you are opening some websites and before URL, you have to check the is a HTTPS or HTTP. If it is HTTP, then immediately close it, because that is not a secure site. It can damage your data, or it can steal your data, or some malwares can be installed in your computer or on devices. So avoid these type of websites. Only use HTTPS websites. This is the end of your video. Thank you.